watch where I step, it's dark outside. It's just another fucking morning, chilling in my ride. Left got the bottle, right hand for the cash. No cards or checks, that I don't accept. I ride for Dolo cause I don't trust nobody. Don't wanna have to fuck around and catch a body. You know I'm playing it smart so I don't get crossed, while I hold my hands in the cross, praying for my soul that's lost. Mama keeps crying, please, I don't wanna hurt you, but this is fast cash on the streets, and I feel perfect, and I feel worth it, as I'm holding down the block with a semi and the Glock, pumping up Tupac. Now it's the other side of the mirror, and I can't think any clearer. You know about chilling in the park after dark, mind twisted. This drug got me feeling lost as I sit and reminisce about the way I used to be. I'm shaking and I'm throwing up, praying on my knees. Never felt so empty as the way I'm feeling now. Went from holding down the throne to selling the crown. Almost caught a case for the shit that I've done. Got fucked with 5 blues and I'm only eating one. Got a straw for the rest. The drips is coming next. I'm in a hollow state where nothing's feeling great, cause regret's all at stake and I'm damn near dying. My fam thinks I'm lost, they told me while they were crying. This line's catching up to me, no wonder why they had this addiction. Got me 5 fucking finger rotting. As I'm standing on the edge, almost close to death, I pray to God for my fucking soul just to rest.